Hello YouTube, it's Aqua, and I'm here to show you how to customize your Copilot button. And if you don't know what it is, it looks like that. But it looks like that, So if you have that button, what you're gonna want to do is you can go to the start button and then type in settings. And then once you go to the settings, you're gonna go to personalization. And once you go to personalization, you're gonna go to text input. When you go to text input, then you're gonna go to customize Copilot key on keyboard, right? I changed mine to ChatGPT, so you can also do custom and you can change it to whichever one you want. But now I do ChatGPT, so now when I press the button, it goes right to ChatGPT, and I'm gonna make a video on showing it here. As you can see, it worked. All right, let's get it. Let's go. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna see you in the next video. Peace.